Now come to the race of Turks. 10th century AD, power of the Abbasid Caliph was on the decline. Decline means destroy or ruin. Many of the Arab territories came under a new rule. That new ruler is called the Turkish ruler. Hardly and warlike Turkish tribesmen from Central Asia as a soldier and generals. Turkish later converted to Islam and rose to the status of governors of provinces. The ruler of the state of Ghazni in modern Afghanistan carried out a series of raids into India in the 11th century. After the 11th century, different group of Turk, Shiljuga, Ghorid, Ottoman Turk controlled the West Asia. Now Crusades. 11th century, Byzantine Empire was attacked by the Seljuga Turks. They conquered most of the religions except Asia Minor and Greece. Byzantine Empire not very strong enough to combat with Seljuk. The Western European princes for help. Emperor Alexius of Byzantium sought help from Pope Urban II in 1095, and responding to call given by the Pope, number of Christian armies were raised. The Christians wanted to free holy city of Jerusalem from Muslim control. They started a first of a series of religious war between Christians and Muslims called the Crusades. These crusades lasted till 13th century, that means 100 years. Crusades began in 1096 and many lives were lost. Positive aspect was increased in interaction between European and Eastern nations. Trade expanded and a lot of wealth to Italian and other European trading centers. Merchants and other wealthy section financed the crusades. Now spread of the Islamic culture. Growth of trade and commerce. Under the patronage of Abbasid caliphs, Arab dominated the trade whenever they went. This brought them prosperity. Abbasid kept the land route in good condition, developed a good banking system. Muslim traders controlled the sea route in the Indian Ocean and the Persian Gulf region. Islamic Arab centers had industries specializing in the manufacturing of carpets, brocades, perfume, and goods made of silk, wool, metal, glass, and leather. These goods kept the flourishing trade going. Trade promoted interaction between the Arab and the people of other cultures. Arab gathered knowledge from the Greek, Chinese, Persian, Indians, and Romans, and then spread it far and wide. Arabic became an international language in the medieval period.